We came to Munnar, we saw the tea plantations on our drive, but now something else has tempted us to move out of Munnar quickly. 65 kilometers away, we're going to stay in a tree house for the night.
Mother, Range Officer at Marayur. Straight? Thank you. कुछ झोल कर रहे हैं बंदे अंदर हाँ पूरा छिप गए. Definitely they are doing something.
On the run means never getting stuck in one place. The south of India, along with its scenic beauty, has some of the best wildlife sanctuaries. And on the run, we were going to our first one.
Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary. It was the tree house that got my attention.
We didn't plan this at all. We were supposed to be in Munnar, and here we are, 65 kilometers out of Munnar, in a national park, spending the night in a tree house.
It'll explode on your face. That's all good.
Oh, that is so cool. This is a tree house where we're going to be spending the night.
And now it's really spooky.
It's really scary, yeah.
This jungle is known for its werewolves, huh?
Panthers climb trees really well, and we've got a tree running right through our house. Isn't that exciting? Panthers, snakes.
Not a very happy thing. There's no fan, yeah.
And there's no AC.
I want to go back, but
I'm hungry, yeah. Let's go and eat some food.
something.
Okay, it's time for us to go and grab a good meal. It's 9 o'clock. The only food provider over here is run out of food. So now we'll have to organize our food ourselves.
We don't have veg for Purab. So Purab's I'm gonna make Purab some baked beans.
Sarah, what about Rogan Josh and biryani? And some fried fish, squids. The canned food is excellent. Thank you.
So there's no electricity, and this being one of my bare necessities is very comfortable. So I'm gonna get into this. Oh, this is really nice.
I ventured out in the night with our crew, which has been on the run with us, to try our luck at sighting some wildlife. We finally hit jackpot. A small family of wild elephants.
A very good morning to you all from Chinnar. Sarah's still sleeping inside. I hope these monkeys haven't gone in.
This is a star turtle. This is a baby star turtle. This small fellow is more daring than these big fellows. He's coming out to see where am I.
Oh my god. That's the most beautiful shell.
The star turtle squad. With height on it.
Time to go on the run again.
हमने घर छोड़ा है, रस्मों को तोड़ा है, अब नहीं जाएंगे, अब दुनिया बसाएंगे.
आगे मैं चलूं, पीछे परछाइयां. ढले रात गई तन्हाइयां.
अरे तूने माँ का दूध पिया तो सामने आ जा कुत्ते. देख देख डर गया
ऐसे हिला के पूछ
हिल रहा है
हिला के भाग रहा है.
In a few states in this country, you'll always see that there are windmills that are used to generate power. But whenever I pass by them and see these windmills, only one thing comes to my mind. Pakachikkalakachikkamakachikkalu, pakachikkalakachikkamakachikkalu.
बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई, कहते हैं मुझको हवा हवाई, हवा हवाई, हवा हवाई, हवा हवाई.
We
we are in the middle of Coimbatore. We're just driving through on our way to our next destination. But there's a quick snack time that we're going to go through right now. A good snack is always some glucose biscuits. Actually, it's a good glucose biscuit and it's chocolate flavor. Ooty and Kunur, two of the favorite holiday spots for honeymooners. Beautiful, but crowded.
Roja was shot here, a part of it at least. But on the run, we want to get away from it all.
It's super cold.
We're going to Red Hills. It's a tea plantation, an old bungalow which has been converted into a resort.
How old is the bungalow?
137 years old.
Red Hills, tucked away in the Nilgiris, 28 kilometers away from crowded Ooty. We had only seen the pictures. We wanted to be there as soon as possible.
Red Hills? Are they really gonna be red in color? Well, I guess we have to wait till daylight to find out.
It's like a cottage out of a postcard. We have Elvis playing in the
There's a
background.
lake here which looks right now really spooky. But I'm sure in the morning it'll look fantastic.
Oh my god.
Amazing, man.
My jaw's gonna drop to the floor any moment now.
This is a fireplace with actual fire in it.
Come on. Let's show you the rest of our lovely home.
Welcome home, no matter what you say. It's nice to have you here.
The kitchen is so pretty. I can imagine what the rest of the house must look like.
You will give us dinner, right? Okay.
Well, it was less of a resort and more of a home.
Can we stay here for a month? After tucking into the food, we tucked ourselves into bed, just waiting for the sun to rise so that we could take a look at the Avalanche Lake just below in the valley.
We on the run is running early in the morning. It's super cold.
I think we're going to witness one of the best sunrises we could possibly ever hope to catch.
What is going to be really interesting and beautiful is going to be the lake
Those are clouds.
when the sun rises. Yeah, those are clouds.
We are 7,000 feet above sea level.
Let's go down to the lake and then look up and look at the colors.
Oh, sun!
The more the sun is coming out, the more the mist is moving away. The mist has like night duty and the sun has like day duty. And they're doing this whole let's protect the lake thing. It's not as cold as I thought it would be, huh?
It's quite cold, yeah.
I'm freezing inside. Really, really cold. This water's so clean.
This is conspiracy. To get the women wide and awake early in the morning. This is revenge for them waking me up. She's throwing stones on me.
You just wait.
अगर लड़ना है तो सामने आके लड़, बाहर खड़े होके क्या लड़ रहा है?
वो लड़ तो ही रहा है.
मतलब वो जो भी कर रहा है.
I've learned some manners, not to take advantage of women, but these don't deserve any.
अगर तुझ में थोड़ी सी भी हिम्मत है तो सामने आ. वहीं रुक जा. बस वहीं पे.
I was on my अगर तुमने अपनी माँ की दूध पिया है तो dialogue है then he came. Damn it.
On the run, we have to move on. So goodbye, Red Hills, and we hit the road again.
After the break, we take you back in time to Hampi.